The government is optimistic majority of Filipinos will benefit from inclusive growth. This is based on strategies and programs the government will pursue under the Philippine Development. Elena Luna with this special feature.
The government recently inaugurated a project in a town in Ilocos Sur. It was dubbed as the country's longest bridge. It is not because of its 180-meter distance, but because of the length of time it took for the project to finish. Residents of Cervantes had to wait 35 years.
Nariyan din po ang Alulim Bridge sa Ilocos Sur. Taong 1978 pa po inilatag sa papel ang pagpapatayo nito. Siniguro na nating hindi lamang din papel ang mamanahin ng susunod sa atin. Nitong Marso, sa wakas, natapos na ito.
With the opening of Aluling Bridge, agricultural products can easily be transported to La Trinidad, Baguio City, and La Union.
Maganda. Wakas naman, maayos naman kami ngayon. Dahil sa 30 years na nihintay namin matapos, okay na kami. Tinda na namin ang mga tinda namin.
The bridge also opens tourism in Cervantes, known as the summer capital of Ilocos. Visitors will have better access to Gambang Falls and Yamashita Cave. This is inclusive growth, which the Aquino administration is pioneering.
We're going to build infrastructure that will allow the produce of those barangays, which have not been tapped by the tourist area, to now have access to the tourist area. That's called inclusive growth. You provide infrastructure so that we are able, the government is able to connect the farmers to the tourist spots. So that's one way of doing inclusive growth.
Another government project in the pipeline is a cold storage facility for the fishermen in Batarasa, Palawan. The town is located in the best fishing spot, but due to its distance, fresh catch cannot make it to the markets.
Sayang naman po. Kasi sa bawat 3 kilo ng lapu-lapu, 1 kilo lang ang tuyong nagagawa. Paano kung mapahaba ang pagkasariwa ng isda dahil sa cold storage facility? Pupunta ka sa merkado ng sagad pa rin ang presyo ng huli mo. Parehong sikap sa paghuli, pero ang makukuha mo, tamang halaga. Kaya nga po, kasado na ang cold storage facility para sa Batarasa. Kasabay po rito, nagtatayo na rin tayo ng mga bagong pantalan sa mga estratehikong lugar upang mapalago pa ang produksyon at kita. Ipinapaayos natin ang mga kalsada, tulay at iba pang infrastruktura, pati na ang serbisyo para sa ating mga mangingisda.
Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda explained the government will strive to have more of these projects in the remaining 3 years of the Aquino administration. He said inclusive growth is about making farmers, fisher folks, and ordinary workers become part of the tide that lifts everyone. Lacerda echoed the President's SONA message.
Hinihikayat ko po kayong sumama sa pangangalaga ng inyong kabuhayan. Nakikita naman po ninyo, ang oportunidad inalalapit na sa inyo ng Estado, pero ang resulta, siyempre, nasa kamay ninyo.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.